Have a Pokemon of your choice in real life, but it will hate you and try to get free.
Then what's the fucking point? I'm not gonna press the button.
Good grades in school, but no social life.
Uh, I'm gonna press the button. For me, I'm gonna press the button.
Reincarnate in the Marvel Universe,
Okay.
but as a villain whose sole purpose is to destroy the universe.
Then no, 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 no. I'm not gonna press the button. That's a no.
Get rid of all hunger and disease in the world, but you can never eat pizza again.
Okay, gang, come on. I mean, I'm gonna press the button. I'm gonna eat something else than pizza. So yeah, I'm gonna press the button.